Hello, hello, hello. It's Curtis here. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a good one for you today. I'm talking about how to make money online. Um, so you notice in the title, it actually says how to make $100 a day. Most videos you watch like this, you can make like, I don't know, like $10 a day max. With this app, guys, you can make up to $240 a day just by tapping a few buttons. So this app's called Pi Network. You can get it on Google Play or the App Store. So what this app is, guys, is a virtual mining app. So what that means is it uses your phone to request coins to be mined. So you just fill out your account. It's pretty easy. Uh, and there'll be an invite code below so that you can join the app. Of course, it is exclusive at the moment, so everyone that does join does need an invite code. Okay, but yeah, as I say, you can make 2.4 coins per day minimum. Okay, so actually you can make a bit more than $240 a day technically. But to start off, you'll be making $240 a day. That means that, as I say, you'll be making 0.1 pi per hour over 24 hours. So, and a 1 pi is valued at $100 currently. Okay, this is where the caveat comes in. So, currently, me and you can't actually buy anything with these coins. They're not listed on any exchanges. You can't trade them for cash. However, there is a Discord where you can you can buy things on there. You can trade money, um, trade Pi for goods and goods and services. So that's something you may wish to consider once you have mind. You can look into that a bit further. But it's so easy, guys. Literally, you download the app, tap a few, well, fill in details, tap a few buttons, and you're mining Bitcoin. You can just leave it all day and set an alarm, come back to it, and then you mine again the next day. Like completely, you can do that until the end of the year, till the end of 2021. You can do that. That's when they plan to stop the mining feature, and hopefully then it'll be listed on some exchanges. Um, but it's such a great concept. Like it has got some great reviews here. I mean, you can have a look at those yourself. It's highly rated on the Google Play Store. There's also a similar app, guys. It's called B. It's B Network. So it's pretty much a very similar concept. You get more B per hour. I don't currently know the value of 1B, but this isn't due to launch until sort of 2023, 2024. So there's quite a bit longer to wait on this one. But by that time, if you're technically, if you get on this early, you'd be an early adopter. You'd have a lot of B to play with when it does release as a currency. So with this app, guys, or both of these apps, you can make quite a bit of money if they do release for a decent value when they hopefully get listed on exchanges. Um, Even if they don't get listed on exchanges, you've lost maybe 10 seconds in your day. It's not a lot really, is it? To make up to $240 and even more than that. So it's worth a try. Like both of these links will be in the description. For Apple and Android, and you also need the invite code as well. But yeah, I wish you all the best of luck, guys, and I hope you do make $100 a day. Just to say, I am doing both these methods as well because I've not got anything to lose. So there's no money down. There's nothing like that. So it is what it is. Well, if you think this is valuable content, please leave me a like rating, and I'd appreciate a sub. I hopefully bring you more content like this in the future. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in the comments below. And also, I appreciate your feedback. All right, have a good one. Bye.